Come test drive the 2020 Chrysler Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, security alarm, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.